Good morning, students. Today we'll try to solve numericals on arithmetic progression in mathematics for class 10th. Let us see how to solve the numericals on the formula that is sum. Okay, we have AP here. Okay, now we have the question regarding the formula. We have sum is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so let us try to solve the numerical based on this formula. So I have the question: how many terms of an AP? How many terms of an AP that is 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Be taken to give a sum of 636. So this is the question we have. How many terms of an AP? This is the AP must be taken to give a sum of this. So we have an AP. Okay. We know how we can check if the sequence is AP or not by a simple way, that is A is given and A is 9 and D here we have 8. That is second term minus first term, third term minus second term. So this confirms that is an AP. Now we have to find the terms. So which that term that gives us some 636. Now what is the formula? Now here we need to apply this. So that is n by 2. So n we need to calculate by 2 into 2 into a 9 plus n minus 1 into d. D we have here 8. Okay. So here now when sum is already given, that is 636. Now n by 2 18 plus 8 into n minus 1. Okay. What we can do? Take 2 here common. So we got 9 plus 4 n minus 1. Okay. So I got this. Now what you can do? You can just multiply 4 in 4 here. 4n minus 4. So I got this. N into 9. No. Now I left with 9 minus 4. 5 plus 4n is equal to 636 we have here. So now what we can do here is, that is, now we need to multiply n inside 5n plus 4n square. So this is 636. Now what we need to do? Here it becomes an equation now. Okay. So now we have the equation 5n plus 4n square is equal to 636. We need to sort it out this equation now. Now equation we have, we'll write first here, that is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. I have taken 636 there on the direct side, so that now we'll try to solve this equation. Okay, so how to solve this equation? Just using that formula we have, that is we have done in the quadratic formula that we have used, that is n is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 into a into okay, first I will write the formula so that we can easily sort it out this. So we have p square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. So now I will put a value. B we have b 5. So we take minus 5 plus minus b square, that is 25 minus 4 into minus 636 here. Okay, so this is what we have now, that is we have 8. Now we sort it out. This is we have, that is minus 5. Now 25 minus plus 0.416 into 636. Okay, so now I got this. Okay, so now let us try to solve this one. 636 we have, you need to multiply. So we have minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 10176. 8 we have. Now what will be? It will be minus 5 plus minus 10201. Now we have 8. Okay, we have just add this, so I got this 24, the 200, 201 I have. Now what I need to do is we need to take out the square root of this. Okay, so we'll have the answer here. Now we find the square root of this, so I got my value plus minus 101 upon 8. So I got now two values. One will take with plus, another I will take with minus. So now I got this one 96 upon 8. Another I got, that is minus 106 upon 8. So I got here what? 12. And negative will be negative, that is 53 by 4. I will just divide it by 2. So here I got 53. So I will not consider here the negative term. I will consider only the positive term, that is 12. So I got here n is equal to 12. Okay, so 12 terms of an AP will give the sum of to this. So this is the formula we have, and will apply in the such kind of numericals. Okay, so let us try another numerical. Okay, now we'll try to solve the next numerical we have, that is, in this they are asking about find the sum of first 22 terms. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which they have d is equal to 7 and their 22 second term is 149. Okay, now they are asking about the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is 7 and 22 term is 149. So see, we have d is equal to 7. Okay, d is equal to 7 and a22 they are saying there 149, and n we have 22. So we need to find S22 here. So let us see how we can find the value. Now, why a simple way? First of all, they have given A22 is 149. Okay, we know the formula to find the number of terms, n terms we need to find with this formula. Okay, now here they have given on 149 a. What we have a here we don't know, plus n minus 1, n we have 22, so 22 minus 1, and d we have 7. So I got 149 is equal to a plus 21 into 7. 149 is equal to a plus 147. When I subtract this value here, what I got here is a, therefore a I got 2. So after getting a2, you can easily find as 22. How? 22 by 2, 2 into a plus n we have 22 minus 1 into d we have 7. So finally I got my answer, that is 4 plus into 7. If I multiply here after addition, what I got here is 11 into 4 plus 147. So I got 11 into 151. Okay, so now I will multiply and try to find the answer here, that is 1661. So very easily I can find by using the formula how to find the sum, that is by using this formula we can easily find and try to solve this numerical. Okay, so let's go for third one now. Now the third one we'll try to see. The third one is what they have given is, okay, now let us try to find the third one. Now the third question they have given in this, that is we need to find the sum of, we need to find, what we need to find is find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. Okay, so if I try to find 15 multiples of 8, so we can say that we have here the solution now. 15 multiples of 8, that is 8 we have, okay, then we have 16 we have, 24 we have, like this we can find, okay, first 15 multiples. So to find the first 15 multiples we have 15 upon 2 into 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into d we have 8. Okay, so to try this, what I will get here, 16 plus 14 into 8. Okay, so now I got 15 by 2 into 16 plus, okay, we know the formula that 14 into 8 is 112. Okay, so now 15 by 2 into, if I add this I will get this 28, so that is 64. Now to multiply 15 into 64, I got what? 64 into 15, 20, 32, 4, 6, 0, 6, 9. So I got my answer, that is 960. Okay, so they have asked a question about to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. You know the difference between multiple and factor, which we have learned in class 4th, okay, which we have tried also to find the difference between, and also the numericals have asked to find the multiples and factors. So it's a very easy thing, so you can easily able to solve such kind of numerical. So now let us move to the next numerical. We have now the next numerical. So now we'll try to solve the next numericals. Now find the sum of first 51 terms. Find the sum of first 51 terms. Okay, they're asking find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose what they have given is whose second and third terms are 14 and 18, whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. Okay, so now we need to find the sum of first 51 terms whose second and third term they have given. So third term respectively. Okay, so this is the question we have. Now try to solve it. We have given second term, that is 14, and we have given third term, that is we have 18, that is a plus 2 minus 1d, and we have a plus 2d. So these two we have given, and we need to find the sum of first 51 terms. That means we have n, we have 51. Only we need to find Sn, that is S51. So first we need to find first term and the common difference. But because without calculating these, we are unable to solve the numerical. So let us try this. We have, that is S51 is equal to 51 upon 2. So the formula plus 51 minus 1. We have 50 into d. Okay, but we need to find a and d. How to find? We have two equations. We have a plus 2d is equal to 18 and a plus d is equal to 14. Just we need to subtract, as we have learned about these solving equations in the linear equation third chapter. So it will be easier for us. We got 4. So see, we can easily find that d we have 4. Now putting this value in any equation, we'll able to find d, that is a plus 4 is equal to 14. We have 14 minus 4, that is 10. Okay, so we have this a is equal to 10. Now what to do? Just put this value in this. So we got this 51 upon 2 into 2 into 10 plus 50 into 4. We have 20 plus 200. You can easily see that. Now 51 by 2 into 220. Okay, so I got this. Just we need to multiply. So we will get the answer here. So I got this 5610 is my answer. So we find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are given. So likewise, we can solve such kind of numericals. Now we'll solve more. So now let us try to find the next question. Now find the sum of first positive. Find the sum of first positive. First, find the sum of first 40 positive integers. Okay, 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay. So now we have the great question we have. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So first one will be 6, then 12, then 18, then you can 24 like this. Okay. So here we have 6, D we have 6, and we have 40. We need to find the sum. Very easy. Just we need to put the value here, that is 40 upon 2 into 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into D we have 6. So I got this. Just reducing it by 2, we have 20. So 12 plus 39 into 6. So I got this 20 into 12 plus. So now we can easily find this value 234. So now 20 into 246. Okay. After adding this, I got this 246. Now what I got? Multiply this. So you got 496, 0. That is my answer. Okay. Or I hope I have not made any mistake here. It will be 20. Okay. So I got 4920. So that is how we can easily solve such kind of numericals in arithmetic progression. Now we'll try to solve more numerical on AP. AP is the most important topic, most important chapter for class 10th because it has more weightage in board examination, plus in for future also this chapter is very important because in 11th class also this AP chapter is there with GP, that is geometric progression. So now let us try to solve more numericals now. Okay, so now we'll try to solve it out. The question now we have, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term, and that of 17 terms is 289. 89. Find the sum of first 10 terms. Okay, find the sum of first n terms. Okay, so we need to find Sn here, but before that what they have given? They have given S7, that is 7 by 2, 2a plus 60 is equal to 49, and next they have given S17, 7 by 2, we have 2a plus 16d is equal to 289. Okay, these two things we have given, and what we need to find is to find the sum of first n terms. Okay, so let us see. We can reduce it here very easily. 17. So now I am taking here what I can take common here, 2 upon 2 a plus 3d. Okay, so I got a plus 3d is equal to 7. I got this first equation. Okay, now the next equation I have 1 by 2 into, we can take common here, so 2 a plus 8d is equal to 17. So I got one more equation, a plus 8d is equal to 17. So now let us try a plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 8d is equal to 17. You can easily solve these two equations subtracting. So what I got here, minus 5d is equal to minus 10 here, 5, 2. So therefore d is equal to 2. Okay, by solving these equations we have d is equal to 2 here. Now we'll try to solve to find the value of a, so that we can easily find the sum of first n terms. Okay, so now we have to put the value of d in any equation. We can put the value of d. Okay, so we have putting the value of t in first. Okay, we got what we got, a plus 6 is equal to 7. So I got a is equal to 7 minus 6, that is 1. Okay, so I got a, that is 1, and d, that is 2. So now we'll try to what we can do now. We have a and d, but we need to find the sum of first n terms. So now we'll try to solve. We have a is 1 and d is 2. So now we'll try to sort it out. We have a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. So we can easily find the sum of n terms, that is n by 2. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. So now I got what? N by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 1. So now what we can do? Take 2 common here. Into 2, 1 plus n minus 1. So now I got what? N by 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. Reduce this. Now n into n is equal to n square. Okay, I got here, that is n into n is equal to n square. That is, I found the value of first value, that is the sum of first n terms. So that is how we can easily solve such kind of numerical. Now we'll try to solve more numericals related to AP. Okay, now in AP, I hope now it is clear to everyone. Okay, so now how we can solve numericals, just we need to practice more and more. Now in this question they have given, that is a first term of an AP. First term of an AP they have given, that is 5, and the last term they have given 45, and the sum is 400. Sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Okay, you need to find number of terms and common difference. Okay, so now how to solve this? First term, that is a they have given 5, L they have given 45, S they have given 400. So we need to find the number of terms and common difference. So how we can do it? Let us try to solve. We have the formula here. Sum of n last term is, that is n by 2 a plus L. So now we have 400s, and we need to find a, we have 5, plus L we have 45. This is another formula. If we have the first term and the last term is given, so we can use this formula, that is the sum to find is n by 2 and a plus l. Now we can easily find by multiplying this here, we got into 50 now, so we can easily reduce 516. So I finally able to find a value, that is number of terms we have 16. Now here we need to find the common difference also. So how to find a common difference? We have the formula here, a plus n minus 1 into d. So now an is the last term, we can easily put it there. 45 is equal to a, we have 5 plus n, now I find 16 minus 1 into d. Now 45 minus 40 is equal to 15 into d. So I got 40 upon 15 is equal to d. If I reduce it, so therefore I find a value, that is 8 upon 3. Okay. So in this section we have tried to find two values, that is the number of terms and the common difference we have. Okay. So now we'll move to next numerical now. Okay. So now let us try to try to sort out the next numerical now. So now we have, in that case, if we see the next numerical, that is we have now, we need to find the sum of odd numbers. We need to find the sum of odd numbers. Find the sum of odd numbers. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50. Now let us see how we can try to find. First odd number is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. Like this we can find between 0 and 50, and the last will be, that is 49. Okay. So now how to find the sum, that is as we have, and now we'll see to find the formula we have. First we need to write the formula we have, that is n by 2, 2a plus sorry d. Now we have n by 2, so we need to find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So now n we have here, that is last we can take, that is 0 and 50. So 50 we can take. No, that is not the sum, that is sum now need to calculate. So now this is the formula we have. If I need to try to put here n, we have n by 2, that is 2 into a. A we have 1 plus, or I think we can easily find, instead of using this formula, let us try to find that formula we have. By using that formula we can find, that is n by 2, that is a plus l. Okay. So likewise we can find the sum, but before going to that, we have another formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So first we need to find n here, so that easily we can find. So the last term we are taking here is 49. A we have 1 plus n minus 1 into d we have 2. So 49 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to n minus 1. So we have 48 upon 2. 24 is equal to n minus 1. So therefore I got value n is 25. Okay. So I find the value, that is n is 25. Now easily I can find the sum, that is 25 by 2, 2 into a. 2 into a we have 1 plus 25 minus 1. Now d we have 2. Okay. So easily we can find 25 by 2 into 2 plus 25 minus 1, 24 into 2, 48. So I can easily find the value, that is now I got 25. So sum I will got 625. Okay. So instead of using this, we can use that formula we have, n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now I can easily find the sum. Okay, here I have used a formula n minus 1 into d. So that is how we are able to solve few numericals on AP. Okay.